everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Coach Lottie Ann. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've never been to my channel, you will be encouraged because that's what I share. I will share encouraging words, things to uplift you, help you to become successful in your everyday life. And I'm here sitting on um, my my couch, my comfortable couch, reading, encouraging myself, and it actually helps me be happy when I read motivational books. Okay, this book I'm reading is about 15 things, 15 things you should give up to be happy. And this is an inspiring guide to discovering effortless joy. All right, I always read books that gonna uplift you, bring joy in your life. Okay, you always want to feed your mind good thoughts because the good thoughts is going to help you build you up, build your self-image, build your self-esteem, and keep you going. In a successful direction. All right. Today I wanted to share with you a paragraph, and it is called Spend Time Alone in Silence. God's one and only voice is silence. And silence is a precious gift. And I'm going to read what silence can do for you. Okay? Silence is a precious gift. In that space between our words and where we find ourselves. When the mind is quiet, when there are no thoughts and no words to be said, we can hear our own heart talking to us. We can hear our own soul and our own intuition communicating to us. When we allow ourselves to be quiet, to breathe in and to breathe out without the need to force ourselves into saying another word or thinking another thought, that's when we can hear our inner voice, our heart and intuition. That's when we can experience our own divinity, our own beauty, and our own perfection. Take time from your busy schedule to be alone with yourself, okay, in silence, to be quiet, to quiet your mind, and to be free from all those negative, fearful, and toxic thoughts. To get in touch with that side of you that doesn't need words in order to communicate. Take time from your uh, chaotic life to contemplate and to meditate, to familiarize yourself with your innermost thoughts and feelings, to know yourself, to accept yourself, and to learn how also to love yourself. Okay, to empty your and all mind of all thoughts and to be at peace within yourself. Each night before you go to bed, spend time at least 10 minutes meditating. Release and let go. Release and let go of all the thoughts that you have about what happened during the day and all the thoughts you have about the things you need to do when you wake up. Release and let go of all the thoughts of worry and stress and fear. Let your mind rest, okay, and refresh, rejuvenate yourself. Let yourself feel that peace, stillness, and tranquility that's always present deep within you. When you wake up in the morning, repeat that process. But this time, meditate on the feeling of what you would like to feel within you all throughout the day. And envision how you would like your day to unfold. And also to feel joy that comes living each moment with awareness and deep sense of love and gratitude. And the more you do this, the more time you spend alone in silence. All right, the more your mind will be cleansed and easier it will be for you to think thoughts that come from a place of love. So, spend time alone in silence. Um, and what I've read really has really kind of made me feel like having the silence is a good thing. And not only that, it kind of sorts out your life in general, that calms you, releases stress, and that's actually what I got out of this. And it rejuvenate you, continue to be alive and well and happy. Anyway, thank you for listening to my video. I did not know what kind of video to create this time, but I hope that silence is a precious gift for you. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Come back and watch the next video that I upload. I do upload videos every day. If you're new to my channel, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, I need you all to watch my suggested videos. Please, I need to hear your comments. I would appreciate, so that way it gives me the idea to continue to make more motivational videos just like this. All right, everyone, this is Coach Lonnie, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Go ahead, smash like and comment, and check out the latest uploaded video that I will be uploading every day. All right. Talk to y'all soon. Bye for now.